stop. If you can't control your actions for the next 24 hours, your future is already decided. Not by luck, not by talent, but by your lack of discipline. I know this because I used to promise myself I'd change every night. And every morning I broke that promise. Until one day, I discovered something that made discipline feel automatic. Not easy, but inevitable. And in the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to master self-discipline fast, starting with a rule most people never discover. 1. The struggle. There was a time when I couldn't trust myself. I'd set goals, feel fired up, ready to change my life. But a few hours later, distraction, procrastination, excuses, I'll start tomorrow. That sentence became my lifestyle. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. And the worst part? It wasn't laziness. It was something deeper, something invisible. And once I discovered it, everything changed. But before I show you what that is, there's something you need to understand first. 2. The real problem. Self-discipline isn't about willpower. That's the biggest lie. If willpower worked, you'd already be consistent. The real problem? You're relying on emotion to do what only structure can fix. You wait to feel ready. You wait to feel motivated. But here's the truth. Discipline begins where feelings end. And in a moment, I'll show you the shift that makes discipline automatic. But first, there's something silently controlling your behavior right now. 3. The hidden enemy. Your environment is controlling you, not your mindset, not your goals, your environment. If your phone is next to you, you'll scroll. If distractions are easy, you'll fall. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your system. And when I realized this, I made one small change. That multiplied my discipline instantly. I'll show you that in a second, but first, you need the foundation. 4. The training. Here's how you start mastering self-discipline fast. 1. Remove friction from good habits. Make it easy to start. Prepare your environment before you begin. 2. Increase friction for bad habits. Delete distractions. Make failure inconvenient. 3. Focus on small wins, not 5 hours, not perfection. Just one disciplined action per day. Because discipline isn't built in intensity, it's built in repetition. But even if you do all this, you'll still face one problem. And this is where most people break. 5. Failure and doubt. I failed. Even after learning all this, I still slipped, missed days, lost focus, fell off track, and that's where most people quit. They think failure means they're not disciplined, but the truth is failure is part of the training, and what I discovered next is what finally changed everything. 6. The breakthrough. Here it is, the rule that changed everything. Never miss twice. You can fail once, you can fall once, but never let it happen twice in a row, because one mistake is human, but 2 becomes a pattern. This single rule pulls you back instantly. It builds identity, and identity is where real discipline lives. You don't just act disciplined, you become the kind of person who doesn't quit. Final transformation. Now imagine this. You wake up, no hesitation. You act, no resistance. You execute without negotiating with yourself. That's not motivation, that's discipline. And once you master it, there's nothing left that can stop you. Because the strongest person in the world is the one who has control over themselves. Start today. One action, no excuses. And subscribe for more on how to master self-discipline fast.